At Agenzia Property Investment Strategists, we use an 8-point property selection criteria to help you reduce risk and maximise return. Firstly, capital growth. We look for properties that are in high potential growth areas. Secondly, rental yield. Especially in today's market, this is extremely important. You don't want a property that is going to push you out of pocket, and it should be at least cash flow neutral. Third point, population growth. One of the key factors that does contribute to capital growth is population growth. The fourth point is infrastructure. We look at future and established infrastructure, which can include things like transport, schools, retail, and all of these are key indicators for future growth. An example of this is perhaps building a new train station. Prior to the train station being built, property prices might be around $400,000, for example. And then after the train station has been built, more people are going to that area, the property prices could be increased by about $100,000 on average. Number 5 is vacancy rate. This is incredibly important, especially to ensure that your property is going to be tenanted. It is a result of supply and demand for the area. And of course, when you are investing in property, you don't want to be purchasing in an area that is oversupplied. The 6th point is demographics. We work through this step, especially in our research session, where we provide research reports and look further into the type of demographic that is in the area. So what these people do, where they live, how they live, income, how the household is made up. And that's particularly important as an investor, so you ensure that you are attracting the right type of tenant. Number 7 is depreciation, and this is where we look at the tax deductions available to the investor. It's also a reason why we specialise and do often work with new properties which offer the highest maximum tax depreciation benefits for investors in Australia. The 8th and final point is affordability, and this is incredibly important, especially for growth. It's when we're talking about if the housing prices are affordable, can people come into that area? Affordability can increase the potential pool of buyers when you're also looking to sell your property and allow you to get into a new area that is growing, especially as an investor. To discuss your path for financial freedom, reach out for your no obligation free consultation today.